It's a lovely morning. The skies are blooming. The kid's not kidnapped anymore. And we screwed up on some lines in the last video. But that doesn't matter. It matters that I want a cat. Let's do this. Sometime nice. I gotta do some laundry, so. Oh, there's Bear. I think he's still knocked out. I think he might be dead. Okay, whatever. So, I gotta organize this stuff, so let's just. Organized. Organized. I don't even want to do that one. Nope. Oh, heck no. Guess I'll just take a quick nap. Oh, can't forget to shut my door. Oh, Fluffy Unicorns, rainbows. Nice rainbows. Taste that rainbow. Nice. I like Skittles very much, you know. Oh, and fur. Is this a cat? Oh, a dog! Breaking news. So, a dog tried to go into my home. My home. My little humble... Bear, I thought you were knocked out. Bear. Can't keep crashing the news. You just can't. So yeah, this dog has been reported in 7 other homes, not just mine. But he knocked me out, man. Not nice. Oh, no. Oh, sorry, I'm having preschool flashbacks. But that's it for the news.
This is for that Jack who broke into Baymax's house.
Oh yeah, it's me. Baymax's dog is about to get destroyed. Oh yeah, it's me. I'm fat, I'm tubby, and I'm ready to fry. Oh yeah. So the dog is a flea sucker. He sucks monkey spit and he's a big sucker. I'm not rhyming at all, but I am very fat and tubby and don't make me murder. Okay, so that just happened. I collapsed in my studio. The news though, people don't even know I'm here and that dog is ugly as foe. Don't know what that is, but I just said it. It works and it works and it works and it's better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it.
This is for that dirty Baymax.
Woof. 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 I woof. I woof. Woof. Woof.
Spit those bars.
Woof. 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 Woofity woof. 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 If woof. 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 It would be a freaking roof. Woof. 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 Well, I mean woof. Woof, 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 woof. Oh, sorry guys, I could talk the whole time. I just really didn't want to, so.
You're not gonna talk?
Well, I just did. Okay, bye. Today's recording studio was good. Maybe he might make a response if he's not chicken enough. So, why is my remote still down? Bear, I thought I told you to clean that up. Oh yeah, I knocked him out again. Well, doesn't matter. Let's just go to sleep. Brown. I like that color. What the heck? What the heck? Woof! Woof!
It was a gruesome battle, but the dog came up victorious. What do you have to say, dog?
Woof!
Okay. What do you have to say, Baymax, wherever you are?
I'm just disappointed in myself, but I lost to a dog, man. That's upsetting.
And dog, what did you say, wolf?
Don't listen to the dog. The dog's full of crap. Wait, dog, don't turn that on. Don't turn that on. No! 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 Oh! Please don't. Please don't. No! Ha ha! Oh, I won again, Baymax. I'm always victorious. I hate you. Baymax, you're big too booty.